everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me guide you on how to share Outlook calendar with other users. First, open the Outlook app on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're in the Outlook app, look for the calendar icon on the upper left side panel or on the lower left part. As you can see, the calendar option is located on the lower left. Simply open the calendar and you'll be redirected to another page. Once you're in the calendar page, look for the Home option button. If you can see the tools, then it's currently on the Hide option. Click on the arrow up icon at the top right corner, and then select Show Tabs and Commands from the drop-down menu. Now, under the Home tab, look for the Share section. You'll see here the option Share Calendar. Simply click on it, and then it will show a tab where all of your contacts here in Outlook is located. Simply select the contact or user whom you want to share your Outlook calendar with, or enter the email address or name of the person you want to share your calendar with. Choose the level of access you want to give them. Select Send. The recipient will receive an email with instructions on how to view your calendar. They can add it to their Outlook account or view it through a web browser. But for some reasons, the Share Calendar tool is currently not working for my Outlook. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.